So here with Staths head coach Phillip. First of all, very good performance, but in the grand scheme of things, it didn't work out. How are you feeling after today's game?
I mean, in terms of the performance, as you said, it was a very good performance. We have been performing well all season. I think probably our weakest area is in front of goal, but in terms of our gameplay and our style of play, it's an attractive one. And one that, in terms of it's very progressive in terms of how we play. So today we put in a good shift and beat one of the better teams that is in the competition this year.
Some might say you guys played 3 good games in this round, but just did not get the result that you guys need to qualify. How does that feel?
I mean, this round is a round where it's about accumulation of points, and I mean the performance were good, yes, but in terms of getting the goals, we were lacking there, and we're lacking against good teams in the second round. The results can only go negative, and that's what happened to us this year.
Do you think some unlucky breaks, maybe some individual errors would have costed you guys qualification to the round?
I mean, we're at the end of the season. I don't want to put any blame on any department. I think the guys put in a good shift the entire season, play some good brother football, some disciplined football, and I'm proud of them.
Today came out, we would give the man of the match to J. Lloyd, centre back. He was outstanding today, he was comprehensive, and he got the crucial assist. Speak to us about his performance and just the defense's performance overall today.
I mean, J. Lloyd, this is his second year, one of the senior players of the team, and that is expected of him in terms of how we lead by gameplay, and also in terms of carrying out the tactical instruction of the coach and making sure that those instructions are carried out by the junior players. I mean, this is an intermediate team. Our next 3-year project will start next year with the group that went to the Under 14 final, and I mean to see them coming out today with all to play for back against the wall and put in such a good performance says much about the program that we have here at Staths.
And lastly, coach, you said the season has come to an end, but not necessarily. Still football to play, there's still competitions to compete for. Talk to us about how you're feeling about that.
Well, as I said, I guess the competition that you're alluding to is the Walker Cup.
Yeah.
Today is a good platform to go into that competition. Coming off a win and going into a knockout competition is always good. So it's a silverware out there, one of the few silverware out there for schoolboy football. So we put in our honest effort, and hopefully we can go all the way.
All right, coach. Congrats on the win today.
Yeah, thanks, man.